How to set iPhone ringtone on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can set iPhone's ringtone on Android. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is head over to your any web browser. After you open up a web browser, let me open up a new tab here. All you have to do is head over to the search bar and search for iPhone ringtone. Ringtone download. You can then search for it. There you'll find different websites. Head over to Just. And after you're on that website, you will then be able to find your iPhone's ringtone. So there you can see there are different versions of it. Listen to it and download the one that you want. Let me just continue in browser and I'll just press on iPhone original. Then you will see the download button on the top. If you want, you can play the video first to download or to listen to the audio. So tap on download after you've listened and you want to download that one. Then it should start downloading. So there you can see the file has been downloaded, and what you'll then need to do is head over to your settings. So search for your settings and then open it up. And after you're here, you will need to go and select your ringtone. So to do that, scroll down. You can see sound and vibration in your settings. Tap on sound and vibration. Then scroll down. And there you'll find your phone ringtone. Tap on phone ringtone. And there you'll find My Sounds section. Tap on My Sounds where you can add your own sounds. Then tap on Add New Sounds. After you press on it, you can then search for the sound that you just downloaded. Head over to the download section and select the file that you just downloaded. Then it will be added. After you select the file that you just downloaded, you can tap on the save button on the top right. Now whenever you receive a call, you will then get the iPhone ringtone. And that's how simple it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye.